This is lesson 7, new number 4. To write the number 4, reach for the number bar key with the index finger of your left hand and depress both the number bar or key and the top of the H. And even though you haven't learned H yet, you won't learn that until a later lesson. Just note that you are pressing the initial H with that number bar or key for the number 4. So for the number 4, with your left index finger, you're going to press the number bar or key at the same time with the H. 4. There's your 3, there's your 2, back to 3, back to 4. So go ahead and practice that with the numbers that you know so far. And here I accidentally missed the number bar, and that's important practice. That's why we always go back to home, because then when I went back up, I missed it. That was a great example of why it's so important to go home, so that you're practicing going up to the number bar and the key and pressing it at the same time cleanly. So go ahead and practice the numbers you know, always going back to the home position with that new number 4. All right. So go ahead and practice that number 4, and you can practice it with the other numbers that you've learned so far, and write a comma after each one. It's great practice for both the comma and for going back to the home position and then up to the number bar. So write the number, comma, home, number, comma, home. Really good practice. And then you'll be ready to move on to exercise 5 for number drills.